In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make comparisons on Looker Studio. We'll start right inside Looker Studio. From the reporting homepage, open the report where you want to highlight change, then switch into edit mode so you can modify the canvas. If you don't see editing controls, make sure you have edit access to that report. Now add a new visualization. Click, add a chart, and choose scorecard for a clear at-a-glance read on performance. Click and drag on the page to place it. With the scorecard selected, look to the right and open the Setup panel. If that panel isn't visible, simply click the scorecard once more to bring up its properties. Confirm the primary metric you want to display, something like sessions, revenue, or conversions, based on your connected data source. If it isn't the right field, use the metric picker to change it. Right below, find the comparison section. This is where the scorecard shows how the current value stacks up against a baseline. Select the comparison type that fits your story. Previous period compares your current date range to the immediately preceding one, perfect for week over week or month over month views. Previous year lines up the same range against last year, which is great for accounting for seasonality. Value lets you benchmark against a fixed target you define, such as a goal. Metric compares your primary metric against a different metric, like actual versus forecast. And if you don't need a baseline, choose none to keep the card simple. Once you've picked the type, review the other comparison options. Decide whether you want to display the change as a raw difference or a percent change. Use the format that best communicates impact to your audience. For quick visual cues, switch to the Style tab to enable arrows and set positive and negative colors so improvements stand out and declines are easy to spot. A few accuracy tips. Comparisons that use time, such as previous period or previous year, respect the chart's date range or the report's default date range if none is set. If your current range is partial, like halfway through the month, the comparison may look off. Consider adjusting the date range to a completed period. Also, comparisons are most meaningful with metrics that accumulate consistently. Ratios can be more volatile and may benefit from percent change rather than raw difference. When you're satisfied, resize and position the scorecard so it anchors your layout and preview the report to confirm the comparison reads clearly in context. That's all you need to make clean, reliable comparisons in Looker Studio.